Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matt Karit. So our topic is how to find domain of a rational function. Okay, so let us discuss first what is meant by the domain of rational function. The domain of a rational function is the set of all x values that the functions can take. To find the domain of a rational function, set the denominator not equal to 0 and solve it for x. Set of all real numbers other than the values of x mentioned in the last step. Punta na tayo sa exercises on how to find the domain. Okay, so given this f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 2, we will equate the denominator of this rational function, the 3x minus 2. We will just equate this 3x minus 2, equate this to 0. Okay, so 3x, we will transpose this negative 2 to the right, so it becomes positive 2. This is positive 2. Then divide both sides. Divide both sides by 3. Okay, so we can cancel this 3. Cancel this 3. What is remaining is x. So x now is equals to 2 over 3. So here is how to write the domain. Domain. Domain is equals to all the values of x such that this bar is read as such that x is the element of a real numbers except that x should not equal to positive, not equal to positive 2 over 3. Okay, so yun ang pag-sulat ng domain o ganun ang paghahanap natin ng domain. Okay. Pangalawang given f of x is equals to 2 over x minus 2. Okay, we will just equate this x minus 3. So x minus 3 x minus 3, equate this to 0. So our x will now positive equal to positive 3. Okay, so write the domain. Domain equals to hold the value of x such that x is the element of a real number except that x should not equal to positive 3. Okay? So yun na ang pagsulat ng domain sa rational function. Sana natuto kayo dito sa video ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood.